Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to register TD Auto Finance online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in tdautofinancecom, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of TD Auto Finance. Wait for the interface to load. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your online banking account. But if you do not have the account yet, what you can do is simply click on this option register now that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you have to accept the terms and condition. Simply read and review the e-signed consent and TD Auto Finance online account service agreement. After you read that, simply check on this box accept. Now simply scroll down. Now over here what you have to do is check on this box. You're basically acknowledging that you have read and understood the terms above. Now what you have to do is click on this option accept and submit. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to register for your account. There are basically 3 steps. First of all, what you have to do is do the account verification. So what you have to do is enter the last 8 characters of your vehicle identification number. So simply enter the last 8 characters of your VIN over here. Make sure to enter the correct VIN. Also enter your social security number, SSN or employer identification number EIN. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply select one of the following. You'll either have to enter the TD Auto Finance account number or you'll have to enter the date of birth or phone number. So simply check on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for TD Auto Finance account number, simply enter your account number over here. Make sure to enter the valid account number. Now what you have to do is scroll down and click on this option continue. After that you'll be able to continue with other steps. In other steps what you have to do is create the username and password for yourself. Also review all the information and finally your account will be created. So that is how you register TD Auto Finance online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.